Hi guys, welcome back. You see, praying inside water is something that has a very powerful positive effect. But people look down on this. This has really worked for me. You see, water is pure. Water has no enemy. Water cleanses. Water purifies. Water is life. If you are facing any kind of rejection, I'm making this video especially for rejection or setback. Get water every morning. Make it part of your life. Speak it. What do you want? Speak into the water. Speak it into that water. Decree into that water. Then take this water, go and use it and wash your face. And go anywhere you want to go. Use the water, wash your face, or you can drink it and make it part of your life. Continuously doing this, you begin to see changes in your life. God bless you.